Create simple YouTube videos just by copy pasting and earn around 1,800 to $29,400 per month working for half an hour per day. Everyone all around this world can make use of this strategy and earn money. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Make Direct by Zopari, helping you to make money through online. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to earn money online with the help of YouTube. But before that guys, you can check a link in my description. Make Direct by Zopari, start working from home today. So there is a link over there, and this is a training program. It's an work from home secrets kind of book. So you are going to get it for only $1. And there are a lot many strategies available on this book apart from the videos I've shown you here. Okay, if you're interested, then you can go check that link and get a copy. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you exact how many the strategies how to earn money by making use of YouTube. Here I'm on my YouTube. Search for Brainy Dude. Okay, search for Brainy Dude. There are a lot many videos. Go check those videos. I'll show you an example over here how this videos looks like, and I'll show you exactly how much money he's earning per month. Let's check videos. See, the audio is computerized, like it doesn't use any video, just screenshots. Just using of photos, making money. I'll show you how much money Brainy Dude is making from his videos. Okay, come to socialblade.com. okay, and search for Brainy Dude, or else copy the channel URL and paste it over here, and here it comes. He's earning $1,800 to $29,400 per month. Okay, and this is yearly what amount he's earning by just copy pasting screenshots and adding audio to the video, adding audio and creating a video, just posting it on YouTube. So it would be taking hardly half an hour of time to create one video per day. So you can also do this. I'll show you the strategies how to do that and what are the steps to be followed to make this kind of videos. Okay, stay tuned and please watch this video till the end so that you couldn't miss any of the step. Why? Because if you miss any one of the step, then it might be difficult for you to achieve the target. Okay, so please stay tuned and follow each and every step what I show you. The first step what you need to do is visit reddit.com, and for people who don't know what is reddit.com, it's a community based website where there are around 330 million users available on it. Come over Reddit and search for confession. And why I've choose confession is I think that this kind of niche would be working out for me on YouTube. And confession is nothing but it's a kind of statement admitting that one is guilty of a crime. So I would be showing people who are talking about their crimes or their things that done before, and they would like to explain on social media platforms called Reddit. Okay, so this is one of my niche I would be working out. So you can also do one thing, you can work on this, or else you can choose any other kind of niche and work along with me as I show you over here. Okay, so follow these strategies so that you get successful results on YouTube. So search for confession. Admit your wrongdoings. So there are a lot many people who are coming on Reddit and posting their things over here. I still laundered food from communal fridge at work. I had stolen over 50,000 from PayPal in last month. So this is done just 23 minutes ago. So I'll just check with this. Okay, so what the next step you need to do? If you have an screenshot taker, then you can make use of that screenshot taker. If not, then you can get it one from by searching on Google. Okay, I'm on Windows 10, so I have my snipping tool with me. I'll make use of this snipping tool and cut the text. Okay, cut the text from here. I'll show you exactly how to do. I'm here on Windows 10, so I'm making use of snipping tool. You can make use of any other tool. You can search online and get one. So I'm going to cut this information. Okay, save it on my desktop and I'll rename it as picture 1 desktop picture 1, and I've saved it. So I've got the image, but I need someone to translate this information in a speech format. So for that purpose, what you need to do is you need to visit a site called fromtexttospeech.com. okay, fromtexttospeech.com. okay, come over here, copy the information what you have seen here on Reddit, paste it here, select George, it's a male voice, and the speech should be slow. Create audio file, click on create audio file, and your ready-made audio file would be created. So this is how your speech files be. So you can clearly get the information what you have mentioned here. Okay, what the information mentioned on reddit.com, so it would be directly converted into a speech format. So you have got a text format and speech format. So the next step what you need to do is you need to combine these both formats and create a video. Okay, I'll show you exactly how to do that. Click on these 3 dots and download the file. So once your file is downloaded, go visit google.com and search for OpenShot video editor. Okay, this is a platform where you can edit YouTube videos or any videos in a software called OpenShot video editor. This is how it looks like. Okay, so I've already added 3 images here, and I'll show you exactly how to add more images to make a video. Okay, so I've downloaded an image like picture 1 over here. So once you come to openshot.com, click on images, drag this image picture and paste it over here. See, we have got picture 1 over here. So here we are having images. This is 1 image, 2nd image, 3rd image, and 1st audio, 2nd audio, 3rd audio. So I'm just copying taking screenshots from reddit.com and pasting the image here, and alternately making audio by copy pasting text from there on from text-to-speech.com. So this is how we need to work. We need to gather the information. Okay, so once I've placed this picture, I'll just drop and place it over here and drag a bit down over here. So here the image is continued from 3rd image. This is the 4th image, and to add audio, click on audio. Okay, click on audio, check for downloads, check in downloads. So this is the recent audio right now which I've downloaded. So I'll drag this audio and keep it over here, drop it over here. So from here I'll drop it from here and keep it over here. So this is how much the audio length would be. So the same thing, you need to increase the length of your picture. Done. This is how we need to create your pictures and along with the audio. And here, as a bonus strategy, I'm going to show you how to create your trailer. Okay, your trailer of your YouTube channel. I'll show you how to create that. This is how it looks like. I've created my own without spending $1 for it. Okay, I'll show you clearly how to. So this is how the trailer looks like. Okay, so stay tuned. I'll show you clearly how to create a trailer for your YouTube channel also. Flixpress.com, here where you can easily create an YouTube trailer. Okay, visit flixpress.com, click on automated templates. See, this is where you get ready-made templates with you. So choose this one, or else you can choose any. You can choose this one. I've choose this one. By making use of this automated template, I'll create my own trailer. So click on this, customize now. Enter your text, what would be the top line, what is the name of your channel, and your tagline of the channel. Okay, submit order. So once you have submitted order, so create preview, view my preview. So once you have clicked on view my preview, you get redirected to another page here. So from here you need to download and share it on your OpenShot video editor. So here, come to videos, drag and drop the trailer what you have created. From here you can drag and drop it over here. Done, your video is created now. So like I've created with a length of 3 minutes. Okay, you can add as many images you want. Make sure your video should lag in between 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so I've created a video of 3 minutes. So once I've done creating a video of between 5 to 10 minutes, so come over here, click on export video. Okay, and I'll browse, change the path to downloads. Okay, select folder, and from 720 pixels I would be going with 1080. Okay, and click on export video. Now my video would be downloaded directly in my downloads. This is the main video what I've downloaded. So from here I would be directly going to my YouTube channel, and I would be uploading my video there with an catchy title and a description. Okay, so here I'm on my YouTube studio. So this is an sample YouTube channel, and I'm into the sample YouTube studio. So I've entered my title and a little bit description. You can create your own description. Okay, then after, create your thumbnail. So to create a thumbnail, just visit canva.com, select YouTube thumbnail over here, and you can write the text over here, what all the confessions your video is having. Just mention the titles over here. Then after, click on download and save it. So once you have saved it, come over here and upload your thumbnail. Okay, upload your thumbnail, click next, or else this video is not made for kids. Okay, and click on more options. You can enter the tags, nearly 5 to 6 different tags you can enter. Confessions. Okay, make use of vidIQ. You would be getting some suggested keywords over here. Click on next. So we don't have any videos at present, so click on next, keep it private, save it. You can share with your friends, ask your friends to subscribe to your channel, and also ask them to share your video. Okay, and from here I've mentioned like private, so you need to make it as public so that people can view your video. Okay, so I'll go to edit and I'll save it as public. Click on done. That's it. Video is now public. You click on save. And the question is like how we are going to get paid. Okay, YouTube have a monetization option. Like after tons of people visiting your video, okay, and you getting subscribers on your channel, YouTube would be paying you according to the monetization structure. So to get monetized, you need to get 1,000 followers, okay, 1,000 subscribers, and 4,000 hours as a watch time. It's not much difficult. Why? Because per day just spend 30 minutes of doing this video. Post it every day, one video, okay, daily post one video. For 30 days you would be posting 30 videos. Continue doing this for 3 months, okay, continue doing this for 3 months. Include good titles, okay, make use of good titles, make use of your own niche titles, and also include descriptions, a good description, okay, each and every information should be legit. So try to do it for 1 to 2 months, then you would be seeing a change, like people would be started visiting your videos. So once people started visiting your videos, you would be alternately getting subscribers. Once you get subscribers, you would be getting watch time. So after you gain 1,000 subscribers, there would be an option called monetization. Okay, I'll show you clearly where that option would be. Here you come over here, after 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, come over here and click on get monetized. So YouTube would be accepting your request and they would be paying you money. This is how we need to work. If you like to get monetized as quick as possible, just comment down below, I like to get monetized. Okay, I like to get monetized. Please comment down below in this video itself. I would be coming up with good strategies in the coming video, like how to get monetized as quick as possible within a month. Okay, getting 1,000 subscribers and also getting 4,000 watch hours. So please comment down below, I need to get monetized, so that you can get paid by YouTube. So this is how we need to work. Don't worry, keep posting every day for 30 days. Maybe for 1 month or 2 months you would be seeing the change from the post itself. You not to do any kind of apply any kind of strategies on your video. Just keep on posting and try to share with your friends and family members. Ask them to subscribe and ask your friends and family members to share with their friends and family members. Okay, so this is how we need to work. If you like this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe if you are new to this video, and hit the bell icon so that you get a notification when I upload a new video. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching this video. Have a great day and take care.